Hey. What happened to being so good for Grandma? You were going to have no tantrums when she left. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's your sister doing? What's Maddie doing? Hey, bud. Is she crazy? Do you have a crazy sister? A little bit? Oh, maybe? What is she doing? Yeah. Wow. Oh my goodness. Hi. Here, let's look at your chunky legs. Chunky legs. Chunky legs. Wearing Maddie's socks. Hey, yay. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Are you tired? Are you tired? Is it time for bed? Are you sleepy? Maybe. What do you think, buddy? What do you think of this crazy woman? Yeah, she's being bad. Yeah. What's up, Sleepy?